How to register for CapGut reward credit cards. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can register for CapGut rewards credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply open up your web browser and search for CapGut rewards credit card register. After you search for that, you'll find different websites offering you CapGut. You can find different options, but let's go with the Synchrony one. Let this page load, it can take some time, and while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now since we're back here, now what you'll need to do is after you're here, you will need to tap on this register option. And after you tap on this register option, you will now need to enter your account number, whatever your account number is, and then your zip code. So just enter your zip code, and after you do that, you will then need to follow up this prompt for your registration. And as you can see, you will register for your GoodCap credit card. And yeah, that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial video, and bye bye, take care.